Welcome to Gobsmack Consulting. We are so glad you're here. We help your service business design remarkable customer experience. We believe in a future where people crave genuine human experiences. Experiences that make people feel something. Experiences that give people stories to tell. We believe that in an increasingly impersonal, automated and digitally driven future, jaw-dropping customer experience can become your strategic business advantage. Everyday businesses tell us the same thing. We feel interchangeable. Everything feels disconnected. We deliver good service, but no one talks about us. Growth feels harder than it should, and we're unsure how to stay human in a changing world. We hear you, and we can help. We work with service-based businesses who want to grow without losing their humanity. Our clients extend across professional services, health, property, hospitality, retail, trades, and community services. Anywhere that people and relationships matter. We deliver our proprietary customer design framework through keynotes, workshops, consulting, and courses. When you work with us, we guide you from theory through to full implementation. To find out how we can help you move your service business into the future experience economy, visit gobsmack.com.au. Every good relationship begins with a chat, so let's start there.